Cooking was the happiest time in our house, so wonderful memories. My name is Joy B. Moore. I am founder and CEO of Joyebells. These recipes have been passed down 6 generations with love, making me and my family the 6th generation to make these pies. I am most proud of my family. They all quit their jobs and we moved into a 2-bedroom apartment where everyone volunteered for 2 years to grow and scale Joyebells. In May of 2020, ECRM comes along with this virtual trade show. You know, Sam's Club is getting ready to come up, has this little thing that pops up with the 3, 2, 1, hi! We were initially released in 222 clubs. That was huge. But now in 600 clubs all across the nation, I cannot think of any other big retailer that's gonna take a small, diverse company and say, hey, we believe in them and you should too. I'm so thankful.